prime and composite numbers. This time, we are going to discuss prime numbers and composite numbers. If we say prime numbers, numbers that has only two factors, 1 and itself. Here we have a list of prime numbers. We have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and so on. So as you can see, 2, the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. 1 and itself. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. 1 and 3. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. 1 and itself, and so on. So, pag may tag prime numbers, wala na siya lain factors aside sa 1 and itself. Composite numbers, kanang numbers nga ay other factors aside sa 1 and itself. For example, 4. 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. 8. 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. 9. 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. So, gitawag siya og composite number because compose siya og 2 or more factors. So, gamito ni natong prime number sa sunod na to nga topic in finding the GCF.